Leslie Meredith with Breakbulk Events and Media. I'm here in Dubai. I'm in the studio. We've finished a spotlight on Saudi Arabia, and I have one of our speakers here, Onur Yigiter from AMSteel. Welcome.
Hello, Leslie. Nice to see you again.
Yeah, absolutely. It's been 2 years, but it's wonderful to be able to talk face to face again and reconnect. So welcome.
Yes, thank you so much. You know, it is really, really great to see you again. Last time we saw each other 2019, so we passed 2020 due to COVID, and I'm so happy to see you now in 2022. And but a lot of things have been changed. Although we had the COVID, but I can tell you that Saudi Arabia did not have a great impact on due to COVID. Our bulk and breakbulk volumes is stable, have been growing, and Saudi Arabia transformation is going with full speed. And AMSteel and myself is proud of to be part of this great transformation. And I can tell you that volumes are in the national wide is around 60 million ton, and it's very stable. There was no impact during the COVID time, or I can say that the impact is very slightly. General cargo impact was there due to that the country has been locked down in around 3 months in 2020, but this impact was recovered very rapidly after the Q3 of 2020, but 2021 volume again come to almost 60 million ton overall in the country. But a lot of things have been changed now that Saudi in line with Vision 2030, there is a big change is happened, and it's also under progress. I can give you one good example that in 2016 the export volume is in the total volume was around 30 to 35%, and this concentration have moved to almost 45%. So the entire export volume have been increased around 12% in the total volume concentration. So this is a great example of the Vision 2030 transformation in our segment. And this is not we can witness easily in a global level of economy when we talk about 60 million ton volume movement in a country. And on the other hand, I am very optimistic that the volumes growth will be coming in years will be also very positive. I can give you some examples. For example, agri-bulk volume, I am very positive because our great government took some positive incentives, like as that they have been decided to promote local production, especially such kind of commodities of chicken meat and local animal meat, and then this will push instead of frozen meat importation, convert this one to the local production. And this local production meat will consume a lot of agri-bulk, and this will bring instead of frozen meat to the country as an agri-bulk, and this will convert to imports from frozen meat to the local growth chicken, and these chickens will consume local produced feed, which means that the volumes will come as a corn, as a soya, as other ingredients to produce the feed. And this will also push a lot of transportation, a lot of chicken farms, will provide a lot of jobs to the society. Not only that one, and also it will provide a lot of healthy food to the society, because Saudi regulations are very strict when it comes to public health and food security and food health. Saudi is very, very strict and very keen to provide the public very healthy food. So on the other hand, that mining industry is very much progressing. I can give you one port example that we have one port in Eastern Province. Its name is Ras Al Khair. Last 5 years volumes have been increasing very rapidly. In 2016 the volume was around 2 million ton, then it moved to 6 million ton today. Yes. And for example, AMSteel is a very brilliant example that we were been doing in 2017 almost zero. Now we are doing 4 million ton, and majority of our volume is, 85% is always export. So these are very important highlights for the country's Vision 2030 transformation results. And I believe this will be coming with more examples and more events and proofs will show in coming years that Saudi will be implementing Vision 2030 more successfully.
Yeah, absolutely. It's amazing how quickly this transformation is happening and how even it's visible to an individual, so that is very exciting, and we look forward to hearing much more from you in next year and the year after. It's a very exciting time, and I'm glad that we have you to illustrate it for us.
Thank you so much, Leslie. I hope to see you next, Breakbulk and Bulk again. That I hope that we will have another chat next time. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.